Hello guys, we're about to try the new fries. These right here.
Hold on,
Get
time
the
out.
regular one.
Time out.
Guys, we're about to try the new fries. Or not new, but we haven't tried them yet though. So I'm gonna try this one.
We're gonna go try it. Let's see what he says. Thank you. Thank you. Hello.
Can I get this one? I have a flight. I'll have you guys wait right over here.
Get ready, get ready. I want you to grab it, okay? Thank you. He got his flight. Now we gotta go try it and see which one he likes the best. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Which one do you like the most so far? Lemon pepper, barbecue, and I think sweet potato.
I like the lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper it is. Ding, 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 ding. Her Zumba class.